Almost forgot to show you how screwed up this whole engine block is. Let's see, I start the holes, too damn big. That broke off. Accidentally dropped the block when I was taking everything off last week. Cracked it here and here. Missing this whole piece. Another piece here. What the fuck else? Got a JB weld shit in here. Flip the damn thing over. Oh my god. Oh jeez. Oh, oh, oh god. Ooh. Ooh, silly. The bearings don't look too bad on the inside. Yeah. I got a nick right here. Probably from when the old piston connecting rod thing shattered. Probably looks like it hit there. Cracked over here. Oh yeah. Camshaft, the tappets. Yeah, and I won't miss this damn thing at all. I'm probably gonna still keep it, you know, but whatever.